In the previous tutorial, we discussed first declension nouns, and while it may seem like we went over a lot of them, we will have to mention some very particular additional ones before moving forward. These words are called Pluralia Tantum, meaning that they appear in Latin only in the plural form, but they are translated with a singular meaning in English. Here are the most common ones we will need to know. Bigae, bigarum. Divitiae, divitiarum. Epulae, epularum. Feriae, feriarum. Insidiae, insidiarum. Nuptiae, nuptiarum. Reliquiae, reliquiarum. Tenebrae, tenebrarum. Some names of important towns are also considered Pluralia Tantum. Athenae, Athenarum. Syracusae, Syracusarum. Thebae, Thebarum. Pisae, Pisarum. And finally, we have some words that in the plural have a different meaning than they do in the singular. Aqua, aquae. Aquae, aquarum. Copia, copiae. Copiae, copiarum. Littera, litterae. Litterae, litterarum. Vigilia, vigiliae. Vigiliae, vigiliarum. This may seem a little confusing, so let's see some examples with these words in action. Remember, look carefully at the endings in order to understand the case of the word. Everything has to fit perfectly like the pieces of a puzzle. Aqua bona est. The water is good. Here, everything is in nominative. Litteras amamus. We love literature. Literature is a direct object here. Aquae copiam habemus. We have an abundance of water. Water comes first, but it's not the subject. In insula pulchra vigiliae sunt. The sentinels are on the beautiful island. The island is in the ablative case. Insulae incolis epulas dat. He gives a banquet to the inhabitants of the island. Banquet is in the accusative. Let's check comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.